Right, first stage is observe. How do you get up and down from a seat right now? Is there a way that you can come up without using your hands? Is there a way you can come up without doing that upper body sway forward so you're not using momentum? That starts to work the legs. Up and down. Maybe you could try going on one leg. Yeah, that's work for me to do. One leg might be stronger than the other. Oh, nearly. Practice. Then come down on the floor and again observe, how do you get up from the floor? How much do you use your hands leaning onto things for balance and to get you from lying down to standing up? And then how do you get back down on the floor? Where do you take balance? Where do you take support? All the way down. And then start the same as the seated one. Can we start to remove some of those aids? So can we not use our elbows to push ourselves up? And then coming onto our knees. And maybe we use our hands here to help us get from that kneeling to standing. We're observing, we're noticing. Where can we take those little points of help that we give ourselves out? So how else can we get up? We can come through the knees, no hands, bring ourselves up. And then also practice how you get down. And then just keep trying different ways. How can I get up this time without using my hands? And then can I get from here without coming through my knees? Little bit of effort, that's okay. So maybe that works for you, maybe it doesn't. Can we maybe bring our feet into a different position as we try and come up the next time? And some people this will work really well for, some people it won't. Ooh, that was work that I need to do. And you could maybe try your ankles crossed the other way, and for some people it will be easier.